Alright, so you just another quick little update on what's been going on. And to be honest, I've just been having a lot of troubles, and I genuinely just don't understand why. So we'll go with the first one, which is overrides. Apparently this is a bug, but I'm trying to update the script, enemy follow, because I've put in the two canvases. Trying to apply it, but it won't let me apply it, even though it knows that there are changes. When I click that, it doesn't work. I can revert it, but I can't do anything. So because of that, some pumpkins do have this change and some don't. So some end the game, some don't, and it's very frustrating when they start all bouncing where the game should be ending and it's just not doing it. So do a quick little Google, uh, and as this guy says, it is a bug. That was from 2018, and I believe one of the devs said they were currently working on it. I have no idea if it's fixed. Like, it's just not doing anything. So this is the most recent one from October 2023, and this guy seems to be having the same thing. I know, no bug. Not too sure then, but that's what I'm dealing with. So it's 50-50 on whether the game actually works as intended, and I don't know how to get over this, to be honest with you. The next problem, well, the next two problems I'm having is with the UI. So if I go in the game, you can see I've got a score, and this does work. You know, you shoot a pumpkin, you get a score. Brilliant. But if we look at the UI canvas, there's also supposed to be health and ammo. These are the exact same as the score. Yeah, everything's the same, everything's fine. It's all legacy text, it's all in the code been done how it should have been done, which I will show you the code in a moment. But for whatever reason, when I come to do this, is that one? Nope. That one? Nope. You have to bear with me. I know where it is. It is on the prefab. So if you look at this prefab, ammunition text, so the ammo is supposed to be at 10. And when I go put in the ammo text, well, it doesn't let me do it. I try and put it in there. It says type mismatch. I have been rattling ChatGPT and well, here we are on Reddit. Type mismatch ammo type. I've had 12 comments. Everyone's very confused. No one really understands why it doesn't work. I'll show you the code properly in just a moment, but that's just not working. Uh, if we look at ChatGPT, I've been rattling it. So that was for the pumpkin collisions because they weren't working. The reason they weren't working was because it didn't have a rigid body on the player, or on the tank, I should say. Quite an easy little fix. Um, Somewhere along here we do have it. It's all the game over stuff. Yeah, so it's like tell me use Unity Engine UI, which I was. Missile? Yep. Import the Unity UI namespace. Change it to text, like public text, ammunition text. This all works. Update it, and I believe somewhere down here it should be putting out this, and it just simply isn't. And I don't know why everything's mismatched. I don't know why it's not working. It should. I think even ChatGPT at some point was like, yeah, this code should work. So I genuinely just don't understand what's happening with it. That's what most of this is, just me trying to stick in the whole missile script and be like, why doesn't this work? At some point, I asked him to use GUI text, but I believe that's outdated now. Um, what's this one? Public text, UI, ammo text. It just was not having it, to be honest with you, and I can't figure out why it doesn't work. And then the final little issue I've been having, which I just don't know why. There seems to be a lot of issues popping up when they shouldn't be popping up. Is with the canvas, audio, and the music slider. So this script is the exact same which I have on other projects. It works on other projects. It works on the main scene. It won't work on here, and I cannot for the life of me figure out why. But let's open up that script because that's quite a simple one. There's audio mixes. Da, 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 da. And then it's literally just setting the float, which if we click on the slider itself, it moves this. And if we play it, audio, music, should be showing it. Yeah, you can see in the bottom right it is moving. So I just don't understand why that's not working. But yeah, we do have an end game. If I show you the end game, or the game over screen, I should say, it does show the final score, which is it's just the same integer. So it gives the player some sort of reason to play and maybe get a better score. But unfortunately, I just wasn't able to put in the health for the ammo because I could not get the text to work. So there's no point building the whole system if there's no way to output it. So it at the moment it's a game. There's a start and an end, but it's not quite where I want it to be. Like this could be 10 times better. I just don't understand why Unity's not playing ball and why scripts aren't working and why code's not working, and it's quite frustrating. Um, yeah, I'll be checking this on itch now, so I'll put a link in the description to the game. Ideal.